Chinese characters are challenging for both learners and native speakers. Pinyin is the most popular phonetic transcription of Chinese characters and the favorite romanization system for foreigners. Bopomofo is a separate system focusing on sound, so English pronunciations have less impact. I'll introduce you both 注音 and Pinyin, and you're welcome to save this video for your future practice at any time. Let's start. B, P, M, F, D, T, N, L, G, K, H, J, Q, X, Z, Ch, Sh, R, Z, C, S, I, U, Ü, A, O, E, I, A, O, An, Ang, On, After pronunciations, I suggest you check Chinese radicals to learn more about Chinese characters. Here's a video to watch. See you soon. Bye bye.